Okay, third grade, today we're talking about combining sentences with the same subject by combining the predicates. Okay, and we use the word and to combine them. Just like we did with nouns, what we're going to do is use the words that repeat only once, and then we're going to use the verbs and separate them with the word and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, look at the top example. Billy draws a design, Billy colors a design. And in our writing, we try not to be so repetitious because it's boring to read it when it's keeps repeating. So we're going to combine these two sentences. So the words that are repeating are Billy and a design. So we're only going to use that once. And then what we're going to do is combine the two verbs, draws and colors, and we're going to separate them with the word and. So that sentence then would be Billy draws and colors a design. Okay, let's look at number 1. Grandpa measures the wood, Grandpa cuts the wood. Okay, so both of these sentences have to do with Grandpa and the wood. So we don't want to repeat that. So we're going to combine measure and cut, which are the two verbs, and then use the repeating words just once. So that sentence would become Grandpa measures and cuts the wood. I'll do one more with you. Number 2, Grandpa draws a pattern, Grandpa traces a pattern. Again, very repetitive. So we're going to combine that into one sentence and make that Grandpa draws and traces a pattern. Okay, do number 3, 4, and 5. And then what I want you to do is on page 175, you're going to do the same thing, combine the sentences, and use the word and to combine the verbs for the new sentence. Thank you, and in the black bin.